Hi guys! Welcome to P2P Trade Online Stock Market Video Tutorial. Three parts tong video. In this very first part, we're going to discuss four things. First, what is a stock? Second, what is the stock market? Third, what is the PSE or Philippine Stock Exchange? And fourth, what is the PSEI or Philippine Stock Exchange Index? Umpisa tayo sa pinaka-basic na topic, which is, what is a stock? So para madali nating maintindihan, let's imagine an example. So imagine this. Your friend owns a milk tea company. Tapos padami ng padami ang customers niya. Ano ang next step niya para lalong lumago yung business niya? She can make more flavors or she can also put up more branches. Both will require more capital. So ang pwede niyang gawin to get this capital is first, pwede siyang mangutang ng pera or through debt, or she can raise equity. And one way to do that is to offer stocks. So, ano ang pag-o-offer ng stocks? In short, actually, ang pwede lang niyang gawin is kukuha siya ng kasosyo. For example, you. What you can do is, you can buy a share of her company, and in that way, you're investing in her. In exchange, she gets money from you that she can use to expand her business. Okay? So, imagine this. There are 100 dots and they all represent her milk tea company. Pero, she sells 24 dots to you or 24% ng company niya. So, what happens is, naging dalawa na ang owner ng milk tea company niya. And in exchange, pwede niyang gamitin yung pera na yun para mag-invest for both of you guys. So, in truth, sa stock market, hindi lang isang company ang available. There are many companies available, many different kinds of investors, many different kinds of investments. And itong stock market, this is where all the companies that you can invest in comes from. That's what you call the stock market. Now, where can you find this? You can find this actually online. All of these companies available for sale, you can find on your computer via what we call an online stock brokerage firm. One of those is actually us, P2P Trade Online. So there's only one way you can buy and sell stocks, and that is through a stock brokerage firm. All the stocks in the Philippines belong to what we call the PSE or Philippine Stock Exchange. Sila po yung nagre-regulate ng stocks sa Philippines. That's where all of them are listed. There are over 260 stocks in the country. Now, baka masyadong marami to. 260 plus. So, where can we start? There's actually what we call the PSEI, Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Here, 30 companies lang ito. And this contains the 30 biggest and most traded stocks in the Philippines. So you're probably familiar with a lot of these names. Tulad ng Ayala Corp, Jollibee, Meralco, lahat po to nandito. So whenever you invest in one of these stocks, nagiging kasosyo po kayo ng company na to. So if we're talking about the safety of the investment, ang pag-invest sa stocks is very safe because you know you're investing in one of the biggest companies in the Philippines. Okay? Now, let's do a recap of the things we learned. First, what is a stock? A stock is a share of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a co-owner or an investor of that company. Next, what is the stock market? The stock market is the marketplace, where you buy and sell, or you can buy and sell all shares. Third, what is the PSE? Or Philippine Stock Exchange? This is the Philippine stock market where all Philippine stocks are. And lastly, what is the PSEI, Philippine Stock Exchange Index? This is where the top 30 biggest and most liquid companies are. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. In our next video, we're going to talk about how you can earn from the stock market, how much the stock market earns historically, the importance of timing in investing in the stock market, what capital appreciation looks like, and finally, what are the fees involved in stock trading. Okay? So thank you everyone for watching our video. We have social media pages in Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you want more information, you can also visit our website at www.p2ptradeonline.ph. Please like and subscribe our video for more tutorials like this. Thank you and see you in our next tutorial.